Another pontoon, everybody's favorite. Doing the seats, carpet, wearing thin. Seats aren't going to be too bad. Flooring, we'll see how easy it comes up, but we'll get it all stripped down. Seats are out. Got some woodwork to do, but I'm gonna get the rails off, strip the carpet up, and lay the floor before we get to the seats. I remember trying to take one of these nuts off the bolt one time. It wasn't budging, so I was wrenching it. And finally, the wrench broke and slammed into my face. And my tooth went through, all the way through my lip. So I had a hole in my lip for like about a week until it sealed back up. So I won't be making that mistake again. Easy. Well, you gotta cut it. Now my least favorite part. So we got this bolt coming all the way through here to the other side. Then we got this big bolt here, and then we got this bolt here. And just got to figure out how to get this bolt out right here. Please just come off easy. That's beautiful. And we can get this front rail off and then start stripping the carpet. It's a long bolt. And it's this one, and unfortunately I don't have any help. Okay, let's get this bolt broken off. Wiggle it back and forth. Until it breaks. That's how you get the stuck ones out. See? know y'all are probably wondering about the console. I'm not taking that apart. We're just gonna work around it, move it as we lay the floor. When we get to this point, I just cut a slit from here to the rail and work the vinyl floor around it. You won't see it because the console butts up against the railing. Get that stuff off, then we'll start stripping it down. All right, so how I do this is I will take a blade, cut a strip all the way down to the end. Get you some pliers, start ripping it up. You're not gonna come up easy. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Missed. Got it. I'm gonna get to the console and I'll check back in with y'all. Made it this far. Cut it as close as I could. Barely. Let's see. Significantly harder. This last one off, my phone's getting drenched. See? Nothing to it. Man, that's crazy. It does burn a little bit, but it's fine. So here's the flooring. Like rolling up a wrestling mat. Looks like it's coming that way some. Yep, straight. Dripping sweat all over my phone again. So I'm gonna get the rest of it laid and I'll get back with y'all right here, like that. Put one right there. See, go around the wires, glue down, and work it around. screw this in, and it's like it was never there. Whew. I didn't think I had it in me, if I'm being honest with y'all, but we did it. It's touch and go for a second there, but she's looking good. Just got to trim all the way around, put the rails back on, but I'm definitely not doing that today. And just before the storm rolling in, perfect timing.